Guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be telling you how to update to the latest Kodi version, which is 17.1. It's pretty easy and simple. The first thing that you need to do is when you turn on your box and it brings you to your main menu, you need to go over to where it says Settings, click it, then go over to where it says Apps, and then click it. Look for the add-on that says Kodi. Once you have it highlighted, go ahead and click it, and then go down to where it says uninstall. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? Just click OK. Once you do that, you need to open up your Google Play Store that is on your box. It might ask for an email address and password. Whatever Gmail account that you can use that. And once you get signed into the actual Google Play Store, search for Kodi. You'll see the icon for it, click it, and then click install. Once you have it installed, just open it up and then follow the steps that you're about to see in this video. So what you want to do is you want to open up Kodi. Once you get it open, you're going to see stuff that looks like this. What we need to do first is go up here to the little settings icon and click it. Then you want to go over to where it says File Manager, click it. And then what we want to do is go to Add Source and click it. We need to put a web address in this first box that says none, so go ahead and click OK, and this is going to pop up. Just put in what you see that I'm typing in. That is the web link that you need to put into that little bar. Once you put in everything identical to what you see right here, go ahead and go over and click OK. Once we do that, we need to go down here to the second tab and change the name to Schism. Once you do that, go down and click OK. Go ahead and hit your back button. Once it brings you back there, hit it again. Then we need to go down to where it says add-ons. Once we do that, we need to go up here to this little box icon and click it. What we'll do next is go to install from zip. It's going to bring up this message. What you need to do is click settings, and then we need to turn unknown sources on. So just go ahead and click it. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Just click yes. Once you do that, go ahead and hit your back button one time, and then go back to install from zip. You want to look for that folder that you made called Schism and click it. Once you do that, you want to look for the plugin that says plugin.video.demitv.zip and click it. What it's doing now, it's downloading that program add-on. Usually takes up to a minute for it to download, but it will pop up in the top right hand corner that it's downloaded. So we'll wait for that. Should be almost done. Okay, there, as you can see, it'll pop up saying that add-on was installed. So what we need to do now is hit your back button once, and then go down to Program Add-ons, highlight Demitrology TV, and click on it. Okay, once you click on it, this is what you're going to be seeing. The first thing that we need to do is either on your smartphone or your computer, you need to go to this web address, type in exactly how you see it, and once you get to that address, it's going to show you a 6-digit code number, and you need to write that code down. So I'll go ahead and go to it on my phone. Okay, once you get to the site, you will see where it says current code, and it's going to be a 6-digit code. Once you get that code, you need to go up here to settings and click it. Once this opens up, you need to go over here to where it says code, highlight it, and click it, and then you need to put in that 6-digit code that you're seeing on your smartphone or computer. Once you put it in, go ahead and go over to OK, then click OK again. Now once you do that, it'll bring you back here, and what we need to do is go to install/update. The build that we're going to be downloading today is Schism TV all-in-one Kodi Krypton edition. In my opinion, this build is pretty good. It has 6 builds in one. There's only one interface that I use, and that's the anniversary edition, which I'll be showing you in this video. So what we need to do is go ahead and click that. It's going to bring up this message. Just go ahead and click yes. And what it's going to do now, it's going to go ahead and start the installation of the build. Depending on your internet connection, it can take up to 3-5 minutes. It really just depends. Just a few more minutes. Okay, once it gets done with the installation process, it's going to ask you this question. Just click OK. Once you do that, it's going to bring you back here. The first thing that we need to do is go back up to the settings tab here at the top. Well, we need to give it a little minute here. Okay, now we can go up here to the settings tab, click it. Then we want to go to where it says interface settings, click it. As soon as we click it, we want to highlight scan, which will already be highlighted, and then go over to the right to where it says scan and click it. And then we want to go down just one to the anniversary edition, click it. It's going to ask you, would you like to keep this change? Just click yes. Once you do that, go ahead and hit your back button. And what it's doing now, it's building the menu. It's enabling all the add-ons for this build. Again, this build right here is pretty good. It has all majority of the major add-ons for Kodi that a lot of people like to use, like Exodus, Specto, Zen, and so on. So we'll let it do its little thing here. Okay, once you see these gray boxes pop up, what you want to do is go down to your little power button right there at the bottom left-hand corner. Well, it's taking its time. Then you want to click it. It's going to bring this up. It's not going to look identical to this, but you just want to highlight exit and then click it. Sorry for the slowness right now. Is it closing now? Just want to close it. I was going a little too fast there. Okay, once you finally get it closed, which on your box it's going to be a lot faster, you just want to go back and open up Kodi. So just do that how you would on your main menu by going to that big old box that says Kodi and click it. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you back to your build. It's going to take it a couple of minutes for it to enable all the add-ons. It's going to clear the maintenance, like your packages, cache, stuff like that. It's going to clean it on every fresh start of Kodi. Okay, once you see these movie posters pop up on your Kodi build, you're good to use Kodi now. It's pretty simple. You have your movies tabs, you have your TV shows tabs. What you'll do is highlight one of the two and then click down. As you can see, you have Exodus, which is like the main go-to now on Kodi as well as Zen. You have Sauce, Specto, Bob. So what we need to go ahead and do right now is on some Android devices, you might have a little audio delay on your box. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up Exodus. Then we want to go down to Movies. It doesn't matter. You can go to most popular, most voted. We just need to play a movie or a TV show so we can fix the audio offset inside of Kodi. It doesn't matter what movie you want to watch. Just click one. After this video, I'm going to be making another video showing you how to do the how to time out the sources inside of Exodus and Zen and Specto. So instead of having to wait up to 30 seconds for it to kick you over to the provider list, we can knock it down to 15 seconds and take the time in half. So okay, once it kicks you over to the provider list, just click that top link because again, we just want to play a movie so we can fix the audio offset inside of Kodi. That way you don't have any audio delay or anything like that while watching a movie or live TV. And we'll go ahead and pause that. What we need to do now is go ahead and hit your OK button to bring up your pause and stop buttons. And then you want to go over here to this little volume icon speaker, click it, and then go down to the third one that says audio offset, click it, and then what we want to do is change that to 0.200. Once you do that, hit your back button, and then you want to go down to set as default for all media. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Just click yes, and go down to close, and that's it. That's it for this video right here. We got your build on here. My next video is going to show you what most of the add-ons do, how to change the settings inside of the add-ons to speed up the provider list for you to kick over and stuff like that. Thanks.